Lockheed officially thrown its hat into the ring to provide the U.S. Air Force with a new tanker, setting up a fight between two of America's largest defense contractors, Lockheed and Boeing, over contract that could involve buying 660 additional tankers in the coming years. Lockheed on Friday unveiled its LMXT tanker design, which is one that should be familiar to tanker aficionados. The platform is largely built off Airbus multi-role tanker transport (MRTT) with some technical upgrades and an extended range. The MRTT, which is built off an Airbus A330 aircraft, is NATO's mid-air refueling platform, is funded by a consortium of Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Germany, Norway, Belgium and the Czech Republic. The 6 countries share costs for the plane procurement of 8 tankers through a NATO consortium. Lockheed and Airbus announced an agreement in 2018 to collaborate on future tanker pitches, but the LMXT is a direct result of a request for information put out by the Air Force earlier this year, looking for an interim tanker capability to bridge the gap between the KC-46A and what has been dubbed the KC-Z future design. In that RFI, the service stated it wants to buy 140 to 160 of the interim design in order to help retire some of the oldest KC-135 tankers. A final request for proposals is expected in 2022. Basing on the MRTT has some obvious benefits. The A330 tanker design is already in use by 13 countries around the world, and has been certified for key American aircraft including the F-30, F-35A, F-22, F-16, A-10, B-1B, C-17, E-3, E-7, F-15 and P-8A. It is likely some recertification work would need to be done by the USAF for the LMXT design. Logistically, it would fit in with NATO bases that have already been prepped for the MRTT. That competition saw Boeing going at it with a team of Northrop Grumman and Airbus, through its then American subsidiary EADS. While the Airbus team originally won the 2008 contract, Boeing launched an all-out legal, lobbying and advertising blitz on the basis that the plane would not be American enough. The effort eventually worked, and during a recompetition, Boeing took an aggressive stance on its pricing that eventually led to a 2011 win for its KC-46A Pegasus design. Since then, the program has been mired in technical issues, which have cost $5 billion in overruns. Expect more details on the LMXT during next week's Air Force Association conference.